The reason why the sensitivity increases when a quarter wave radial line is added to the GAWANT antenna has been found. The result of the experiment, since the GAWANT antenna is a voltage-fed type, an RF standing wave is formed in tune with the length of the half-wave antenna element, and the antinode of the current of the RF standing wave is the maximum current value of the antenna element. And the current is minimum at the node of the standing wave at the top end of the antenna element and the end of the power feed section. This GAWANT antenna is a voltage-fed type, and the RF voltage is maximum at the antinode of the RF standing wave of the power feed section. So the RF current should be minimum at the power feed section because it is the node of the RF standing wave. However, an experiment was conducted in which the sensitivity increased when a quarter wave radial was added to the lower ground of the LC parallel resonant circuit of the power feed section. And the reason for this was not always clear. Reason: the upper connection point of the GAWANT antenna's voltage feed has an LC parallel resonant circuit, and the RF voltage is maximum at the upper terminal, so it is suitable for connecting a voltage-tuned antenna element whose length is an integer multiple of half a wavelength. On the other hand, in the GAWANT antenna, the lower terminal of the LC parallel resonant circuit on the lower side of the RF voltage feed is the RF voltage minimum point, unlike the upper terminal. So the RF current tries to be maximum. However, the RF current cannot flow without the radiator element. For this reason, the GAWANT antenna has the same operating principle as a dipole antenna or ground plane antenna. And when the ground line of a quarter wave current fed tuned antenna element is connected to the lower terminal of the RF voltage feed, the RF current tries to become maximum at that connection point. As a result, the GAWANT antenna operates as an antenna with a total length of approximately 3/4 of a wavelength. Combining the half wavelength of the upper element and the quarter wavelength of the ground line,